I think it's not only Invesco, but these days asset management is key really to drive the performance. Probably until 2008, everybody was counting on the rental growth and rent compression and yield compression, and everything will be going into the right direction, and you can make money and make your returns. But after 2009 and today, in whole Europe, the trend is that if you don't actively asset manage your assets, and it does not apply only to retail, you may actually lose your money. So the structure of Invesco is that in every major country that we have allocation, we have asset management team, local asset management team dedicated to those assets, and being very close to what's going on, not in terms of the tenant relationship, but also market perception, changes to the markets, but also things related to refurbishment, remodeling eventually. So these are key elements, and we will see more of those in the coming years. Marta was showing on her slide that the trend will be that more and more centers will be refurbished, and that's what exactly is happening in Western Europe, that if you're looking at the development pipeline for UK or for Scandinavian countries, you can hardly see the new centers being built from scratch. You can see the extensions, remodelings, this kind of initiatives where you are enlarging your GLA, converting certain functions to more profitable ones. Why Galeria Mokotów did this thing with the food court? Of course, one issue was the trend and let's say slow dining initiatives, but on the other hand, we all know that the leisure is not a great performer, and they are not great payers. If you are able to convert those functions to the food court operators who can pay you decent money and pay you, double service charge and all that associated cost, all the investors are much better off doing that. That's why. So these are not only the initiatives from a purely social perspective, but also the investment perspective, that they are the justifiables.
And this is, let's say, when you're talking about leisure, are you talking about cinemas? Or are you talking about what other?
No. That's maybe cinema is actually a good operator. But if you're talking about the fitness, bowling operators, they can generate you a couple of euros. Really, we're talking not even 7-8 euros altogether, including service charge. These are kind of functions that cannot sustain any higher rents. If you can convert those functions into the food court operators, even if your GLA is reduced, you are still better off financial-wise by doing so. So this is also a very important aspect. The investor sitting somewhere in London or US, looking at the Excel spreadsheet, thinking about Poland, these let's say financial aspects are also very important.